Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Rainbow Vacuum SE is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cleaning machines on the market, offering a deep clean for your home. And today, we're diving deep into what makes this vacuum cleaner stand out from the crowd, exploring its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right investment for your cleaning needs. Number 5. Rainbow Genuine Water Pan. This genuine rainbow water pan is perfect for your cleaning needs. It's designed to fit the SE, D4, and D3 models. Make sure to double-check your model number before ordering. Before purchasing, please ensure this pan is compatible with your specific rainbow model. There may be a restocking fee if it's not. Your purchase comes with peace of mind. Amazon purchases include a 30-day warranty for your protection. It boasts a generous 2-quart capacity, ensuring you have plenty of space for your cleaning solution. This will make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. It's simple to install and use, seamlessly integrating with your rainbow system. Enjoy effortless cleaning with this essential accessory. This is an authentic rainbow part, guaranteeing quality and optimal performance with your machine. It's built to last. What we like? It's a genuine rainbow water pan, ensuring perfect fit and function for your machine. Its 2-quart capacity is ideal for larger cleaning jobs. If you own a Rainbow SE, D4, or D3 and need a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. This bowl is very sturdy and made in the USA. It fits perfectly and it works great. It fits exactly as it should, it is much nicer looking with no scratches, etc. Number 4. Rainbow D4 Hose Assembly. This is the Rainbow D4, D3, and D2 standard hose assembly. It's 7 feet long and compatible with your rainbow vacuum. Make sure this is the right model for your machine. It's made to Rainbow's genuine standards, ensuring durability and reliable performance. You can trust it to stand up to regular use. This hose is simple to attach and detach from your rainbow vacuum. It's designed for effortless cleaning. With its 7-foot length, it provides excellent reach, making cleaning larger areas a breeze. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-get spots. Please double-check that this hose is compatible with your specific rainbow model before purchasing. Refer to your owner's manual if needed. A restocking fee may apply if you return it. Please ensure you've selected the correct model for your rainbow vacuum. What we like? This is an original rainbow hose, built to last. The 7-foot length provides excellent reach and flexibility. If you need a replacement hose for your rainbow and value quality and durability, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's OEM, works great. Parts work perfectly. Buena manguera, viene con el tubo para conector, recomendada. Number 3. Rainbow RM2 SE Mini. This is the Rainbow RM2 SE Mini Power Nozzle. It's a powerful and compact cleaning tool, perfect for smaller spaces and detailed cleaning. Experience the superior cleaning power. It effortlessly removes dirt and grime from various surfaces. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver and store. You'll appreciate its lightweight design, reducing strain during use. It's versatile enough for a variety of cleaning tasks. Use it on upholstery, carpets, and more. Cleaning has never been easier. It's designed for effortless cleaning, saving you time and energy. This mini power nozzle is a game changer for detail cleaning. Get a deeper clean in hard-to-reach areas. What we like? This Rainbow Mate Mini Power Nozzle offers powerful suction in a compact size. It's perfect for cleaning upholstery and hard-to-reach areas. If you are looking for a versatile cleaning tool for your rainbow, this is a must-have. What people say. The product came in late in the mail and I wrote my complaint and a possible refund. Well, drop the refund charges. Now I can vacuum clean my cars clean. A reliable tool, works excellent. Arrived quickly, I used it the day I received it to clean my sectional couch and truck. Couldn't believe how much sand grit it pulled out of the carpet in the truck, and how much embedded cat hair came out of the couch. Did a fantastic job, worked perfectly on my Rainbow SE, and the design matched perfectly too. This is a great extra attachment for a rainbow vac, especially to get pet fur off chairs or in the car. Number 2. Rainbow D4C SE Power Cord. Is your Rainbow Vacuum's power cord looking worn? This genuine replacement ensures peak performance and safety. Upgrade today. This isn't just any cord, it's a genuine Rainbow part. It's designed to fit your model perfectly and provide reliable power. This power cord is compatible with both D4C and SE Rainbow vacuum models. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. Before ordering, please double-check your Rainbow vacuum model number. This ensures a perfect fit and avoids returns. Please be aware that a restocking fee may apply for returns. Make sure this is the correct part for your vacuum. It's simple to install, just plug it in and you're ready to clean. Enjoy the convenience of a new, reliable power cord. What we like? It's an original Rainbow power cord, guaranteeing a safe and reliable connection. It's designed for a perfect fit with your Rainbow vacuum. If you need a replacement cord and want to maintain your vacuum's performance, choose this genuine part. What people say. The cord directions were easy follow and worked perfect. Item. Just as described and super easy to install. Cable is just the same as the original and works great to me. Number 1. Rainbow D4C SE Motor Brush V2. This is the all-new Rainbow D4C SE Motor Brush version 2. It's designed for superior cleaning power and durability. Watch to see how it works. It delivers exceptional cleaning performance, removing deep-seated dirt and grime with ease. You'll notice a significant difference in the cleanliness of your carpets and rugs. This brush is built to last. It's made with high-quality materials to withstand frequent use and maintain its effectiveness over time. Installing it is quick and straightforward. Simply attach it to your Rainbow vacuum cleaner and you're ready to go. Please ensure this brush is compatible with your Rainbow vacuum model before purchasing. Check the description for details. Before buying, make sure you understand how your power nozzle works. There may be a restocking fee if it's not compatible. What we like? This is a cost-effective replacement motor brush for select Rainbow models. It's the updated version 2, offering improved performance. If you're on a budget and need a functional replacement, this is a great option. What people say. It works just like the factory-made ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.